My people of YouTube, today I'll be ranking my favorites. Well, it's options. We're gonna do a little tournament regarding sound effects through animes, amazing sound effects. And I'm excited to have instance because, you know, we just watched Fate. We heard one that was crazy, that was insane. But other than that, sit back. Let's get into this video. All right, let's go. Start with the first. Oh shit! Wait. That's a badass quality. Oh shit! This is some slime. Yeah, Hinata. I remember this one. It sounds crazy. This has a lot of noise in it though. Like not a lot of noise, but it's like different. Like it's not just. It's like you got little cracks and shit in the background too. But I'm about to blast this shit. Let's fucking have this shit higher. But even beyond, I'm about to short my ears a little bit. You know. Yeah, chat. Audio wording. We know this one. We know this one. We know this one.
I am atomic.
We know this one. We know this one. Oh god damn, keep the scene playing. This is gonna be hard to watch the whole scene, but nah. Is this Sid's voice is too sexy. Sid's voice is too sexy. Let's go. Nah. Sid. I'm giving it 10 minutes of shadow. I know like disintegration. What the fuck? It's crazy. This is rigged already. It's crazy. We can't watch this one. Can I? It's crazy. They don't even want to send us there. This is illegal. Oh damn. All right, because I do know how the explosion sounds from Konosuba. I've watched Konosuba. I know how it sounds. Let's check this one. Damn. Hold on. That one was fast though. That one was fast. Listen, where's Konosuba? I mean, we watched Konosuba. I do know how the explosion sounds. Explosion. But which explosion we're talking about though? Because there's one explosion I like it the most. We have a whole compilation of explosions. Chat, which explosion do we want? Alright, I got it. Damn. Not alive? Damn. That was a fire ass explosion. I don't remember this, but this is a fire ass explosion, honestly. That was a fire ass explosion. Like the incantation and everything for it is mad fire. But I'm gonna go Konosuba, not because of the video, because I do know how explosion sounds, the usual ones, the usual explosions. I do know how it sounds. And I always love them shit. So I'm gonna give it to Konosuba here. We got first element. Oh, it's been a minute.
Burst element.
Oh my god, it's been a minute. God damn, it's been a minute. Oh my god, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Oh my god, bro. Y'all need to watch.
Burst element.
It's been a minute, bro. It's been a fucking minute. Yo, if y'all haven't watched Sword Art Online, you guys are one of those that follow the hate for popularity because you guys love to hate. That's what you guys are missing out on. I'm just letting you guys know right now. That is Sword Art Online. That is Sword Art Online. Let you guys know right now. That is Sword Art Online. A lot of people don't know about it. Oh shit. Hold on. This is where it gets difficult. Not lie. I'm gonna give it a Sword Art Online for two reasons. And it's not just because of the moment. This is purely talking about noise, purely about sound effect. They cut it too short. I think they cut it too short. I'll give it to Sword Art Online because the build up, and the bass hits. I feel like it's more. It feels way more grind. Yeah. This one I give it a Sword Art Online, even though I love my girl Kritsukoda. Love her. All right. What do you mean no noise? Did you not hear Sid's sexy ass voice? Did you not hear Sid's atomic? That shit gets you to nut, bro. That shit is seducing my ears. All right. What we got? Ramiel scream geometrically? How do you scream in shapes? Ah, damn. Yeah, did you guys send them? Yeah, I think we heard this last time, but damn. Yeah, gotcha. Wait a minute. I know this. Oh. This is not fair. This ain't fair. This ain't fair, bro. This ain't fair. Yeah, this one we heard last time. This ain't fair. This ain't fair. This is not fair. Because Eminence and Shadow, they did a good. I mean, it is sound. It is. I mean, technically, it is sound design mixed with voice acting. It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm going with Sid. I got Sid again. I hate you guys so fucking much. I hate you much. Made in heaven.
Made in heaven.
Father Gucci. We know what's winning this one. We know because it's literally not fair sound effects. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy. That's a sound effect that I will always love forever. There's a Wardo shit, then it goes silent. I'll love that forever. Blasted Tree. Let's see this. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where the fuck is that from? Hold on. That shit looks sick. That shit actually looks sick. Damn.
Flashbang.
Oh my. Oh wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, actually, yeah, it might be. It's Frankenstein. Yeah, it's Frankenstein. Not gonna hold you. Yeah, it's Frankenstein. I don't the low quality of the video. I'm giving it a Flashbang. I'm definitely giving it to Flashbang here. Oh shit, Shino. It's been a while too. Oh shit! Oh my god, I missed this shit. It's so much different sounds. and it's heavy. It's so much different sounds, but it's heavy. It's heavy. Shit, Dragon Nova. God damn. God damn. Ah. Alright, so honestly, her arrow barrage is way more satisfying. Because Dragon Nova is way more heavier, but I love the build up. I love the build up for Shion's barrage. It's so much different noises as well. It's not just heavy bass here. It has such a build up to it too. It's like from the beginning. Yeah. You know she's going better. Yeah, it has such a good build up. Oh shit! All right, hold on. You know she was way better. Woo! It's hard. Y'all diabolical. Y'all putting fate on fate is diabolical. I know. I love you, Star. I love you. Yeah, this moment was one of my favorite moments. One of my favorite moments. It was one of my favorite moments. That's Moody Blues. Oh shit, Moody Blues. This is gonna be hard. I'll fuck with Moody Blues. This is fucking difficult. That doesn't count. This counts.
Moody Blues.
This ain't fair. It's like, why is this here? Why is this here? Mind you, I just uploaded episode 20 of Fate of Grand Order. Why is this here? Why is this in the tournament? This is not fair. Why is this in this video? Oh my god. Why is this here? Why is this here? Oh my god. Why is this here? Why is this here? Oh my god, why is this here? Why the fuck is this here? It's like let's have a one-on-one basketball tournament against, amateurs. Let's include LeBron James in here. Honestly, I love the hand too, but we know what's winning this one. I'll give you it. The sound is a great sound effect as well. Zahando! It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair for the hand, because the hand honestly is a great sound. It's a great sound design, bro. It's awesome, but you warn against the new alias, bro. It's not fair. Oh shit, Crimson Moon. Ooh. A buddy Maru. It's another one. It's not fair. Not fair. Oh shit. Oh my god. This is another one of my favorite moments. Ours, I'm on Samonis. Oh. Got ya. Let's get this shit. It's, I mean, it is low base. It is low base satisfying, but Crimson Moon just fucking hits. Crimson Moon just hits from Buddy Mario. By the way, this movie will be coming up this week. Then you guys know in advance for those who are waiting for it. Gold Experience Requiem versus Shinra saves Tamaki. Hold on. Seven Fates Muda! Yeah! Let's go! Not a lie, dude. I don't remember Gold Experience Requiem sound this satisfying. I just watch part 5. I don't remember Gold Experience sound that fucking satisfied. What's in a row? Yeah, Gold Experience Requiem. Gold Experience Requiem was that one. I love Shinra. I love Fire Force. Oh my, wait. They face off against each other. Oh shit. Shit.
I am atomic.
Not live. This is the case. Y'all know exactly what's about to win this. I'm taking I'm Atomic. Burst element or gotcha?
Burst element.
This is making me miss Sword Art Online so much. This is making me miss Sword Art Online way too much. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it to Burst Element. Yeah. Yeah, Burst Element wins this one. Burst Element actually wins this one. Honestly, they should have put one where it just whoop when it goes silence, because it adds way more satisfaction to it. When everything goes silent when he freezes it stops time, is so much satisfying.
Flashbang.
The world, the Wardo. The world, world. Right the chat. Ooh. Ooh, hold on. Nah, this is hold on. Angel, this is the one. Ultra from Bleach is missing. hold on. This is hard. This is actually hard because she knows how shit is way more satisfying. I think it's satisfying. It's just satisfying. The zipper shit sounds so satisfying. I love that. I love that sound. Nah, I'm thinking. She knows. I think she knows. It sounds way. It sounds satisfying to like a different level. It sounds extremely satisfying because of that. There's a build up. Oh yeah, this is not even about. This is not even. Come on. Not even the shit. I always love that sound. I always love this sound they always use in the kind of order. I always love that sound effect. I always love it, but oh shit. My goat. Ooh, hold on. They missed the Ukiyo Zero? That's crazy.
コンロの技使わせてもらうぜ。
I took it's religious. I need to let it play. I need to let the 7-page Muramura play out. I think I like Gold Experience more because the way it starts. Because the way it starts off the bat. I don't know. Gold Experience record makes you feel deep like that. Boom, 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 boom. But then Crimson Moon is so fucking good too. So this is hard. So me personally, I think I'm going Gold Experience because I like the little clicks. Like the little clap, they put the little clap in it. I just love that sound effect a lot too. Then they did boom, boom, boom. I mean, can you if it's sad, but fuck nah. Pure sound, based on pure sound without thinking about the events at all. I think I'm gonna have to Gold Experience. I'm Atomic Burst Element.
I am atomic.
Burst element.
Not lie. I think that might be. I think I like Burst Element more because of all the different noises they use. The sounds they use with Burst Element, I like it way more. I feel like it hits nicely. I mean, the Atomic is fucking sexy, bro. It whispers in your ear. And it's like, damn, bro. Yes. But Burst Element, it sounds way more sophisticated. It has a lot more.
Burst element.
Off the bat. Even the lava, bro. Even the lava and of it, it sounds satisfying. I'm going with burst element. I'm going with burst element. Ooh. I wish to use the other one. I honestly wish to use the other fucking the world. The other one sounds way better because it's a war and zoom and everything goes silent. It's way more satisfying. I love you, Dio. I love JoJo. She knows battle arrow barrage. That takes it. It takes it. It feels like way more complex. It sounds crazy. It's crazy to say, but like, you know, there's so much different sounds you can hear in it, and it's like the click clack, everything just sounds satisfying completely. Like, damn, it works harmony. I mean, even though the world is such an amazing moment as well. Shall we? Oh shit! It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair for my goat. It's like, listen, it's not about being biased or favoritism. I love JoJo. Honestly, I love JoJo. I love JoJo a lot, bro. I love JoJo a lot. It's not about favoritism. It's not. I never heard a sound effect that had made me like. I felt like I took the attack myself. I've never heard a sound like that. It's crazy. Like, attack. It's like, who comes up with that sound with Numa Alias? Like, who? Like, I love JoJo Ghostface Requiem. It is satisfying, but it's like this bass. It's because this bass. You've heard it before, but it's satisfying. Honestly, it's satisfying. It's a great sound design. But like, what the fuck have you heard a sound like this? It's two fucking drills at each other, bro. It's like, when have you heard something like that? Oh, so this is good. This is good. This is fair. This is good and fair. This is good and fair.
Burst element.
This is gonna be hard. That sound design had so much to the scene because it feels like the build-up is so fucking good. I'm taking the arrow barrage. I'm taking the arrow barrage. It's mainly not because the ending. It's mainly the build up. Like, everything about it is. It feels meticulous. That's what it feels like. It's so, like, I'm taking the arrow barrage. Yeah, we know who won the tournament. We know who won this tournament. As soon as you choose the Numa Alias, it wasn't fair. It was not fair. It was not fair to choose my. It's not fair. It's not fair. Honestly, I love the fact she knows Barrage. Our Barrage came second place, close. Not close, but it's such an amazing sound design for the scene as well, because it sounds so meticulous. It sounds crazy, bro. It's fucking fire, bro. I had so much to see, but Numa Alias just hits. It just hits. That was gonna win, honestly. As soon as you brought Numa Alias on screen, it's like, fuck. That's not fair. That's not fair at all, bro. But honestly, this actually makes me miss War of Underworlds for Sword Art Online. Sword Art Online has some amazing ass sound design. It has some amazing ass sound design, like, because as people's, and it's sad because a lot of people hate Sword Art Online because back then it was popular to say Sword Art Online. You know, maybe you have issues with it. That's fine, but bro, War of the Underworld, the projectization has some top tier animation and sound designs. I always recommend it to people, but of course, Numa Alias it won. Honestly, after watching the episode, this is probably literally my number one favorite sound effect so far I've heard in anime history. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching.